Okay guys, so this has been absolutely very difficult indeed to get these things sorted here, but finally I've got something, and I can't test it until I completely finish all this here, so I'm not sure if it will even work. But this is what it will look like. See it moving that much? That's great. The problem here is this here, and you're supposed to put this on here. If I put that on there, it won't make this one move right amount. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. And this, of course, there's a timing, isn't there? So this got to be a certain time. So in other words, if that is there like that, if that is there, this has to be a certain time. And I reckon that if that's there, this should be on this timing here, like put it. Let's do it again. There. So that's where this should be. That's where this should be, and this one should be on that side, I think. So anyway, I shall try it out and finish it up, see what happens. Extremely difficult stuff, but persevere, yeah.